Hello. Okay, this week in my Mini Recollections, I'm going to use some of the Love Kit leftovers by Brianna Nicole Designs. I have plenty of leftover stickers here, so I'll use these to do that. I have not made my little checkbox. I just realized that. I do PR for her, so follow my Instagram to make sure you get the codes. From 3 Tiny Bows, I've got her Planner Girl stickers. I figured they'd be appropriate to go in my social media planner, and my code for her is TTBVANNESSA to save 20%. And by J&J Sticker Co., I have these 2 samplers that had all these cute hearts and stuff. I'm going to use them. And my code for her is Vanessa25 to save 25%. I've got this clip from Sweet Paper Bliss and this clip from the Glitter and Glam Squad. So let's go ahead and get started. I am going to take the little tracker here that I should have had ready. We'll just cut that off. It's already got the days of the week on it. So I want to run it this way. And I only need 5. So I'll go ahead and cut off 3. So I can just mark which days that I put my planner stuff out, and I'll write the initials here real quick. Alright, that way I can just mark down the days that I do my planning and post on social media. And I think I will use this cute little sticker here. It says planning time right beside it. Alright, so for the days of the week, I'm going to use these cute little bows beside the days. I actually have a pretty busy week this week. I got all kinds of little things to do. Actually, I'll put this one down here. And I have this sticker. Alright, I gotta organize these a little bit. Okay. It's pretty purple. Ooh, I like the pink weekend. So we'll go with that. So we'll put it right there. Alright. Let's get our dates on here. I've got a meetup this week. I get taxes done this week. I got a doctor's appointment. Busy, busy, busy. I like to keep everything in a row, so it's not very often that I'm all busy like that. And my boy, my youngest, will be 18 Saturday. Just all kinds of stuff going on. So most all of my planning and check boxes, I will use these. Because most all of that is going to get done the first few days of the week. because I have an appointment Wednesday, so we'll skip it down here to Thursday. And I'll use these days to put my appointments and stuff in. So there's my appointments. Here's the days that I'll plan. And I'm trying to find a box that's not super girly, because this is also my boy's birthday. Oops. It helps if I get it straight. And then we'll use this one on Sunday. I love those, and I'm going to use this I'm a Planner Girl in a Planner World. Alright, so we got this big cupcake here. I'll mark it. And my boy turns 18. And I've got a meetup at 1 p.m. Doctor at 3. And then taxes. And then I got to remember to buy my meetup ticket. And then I've got a couple shops. The 15th, the Epic Planner sale starts. So that's the shop that's in it. And then the 16th, the Planner block party starts. So make sure you follow my Instagram, because I will have the codes for those sales. And then next week there's another one. So there's that. And my phone is going nuts. So I'll get it here in just a minute. Alright, Monday I'll start with coffee. I always drink coffee on Mondays. So I like those colors. Sunday I do all my planning. I love these washi tapes and stickers. So I'll stick those there. I'll use that one for my Insta followers. So I'll use that to mark the Insta followers. Since I don't see a video, we'll use this cute little bear for the YouTube. And we'll just write on there what it is. And that works fine, because I'll know. So I'll just put that there, and I'll just put a YT, that way I remember what I'm marking. Alright, so I think since I'm going to a meetup, I want to use these cute stickers and a set of pens. And I'll put a little cup right here because that's my planning day and I always use all that stuff. I spend a little bit of time picking out my paper clips, because I do all that on Sundays. And then let's do a little decoration. We got all these pretty hearts, and it is Valentine's week. I think I got everything marked in there that I need to mark. I like that she's got her logo as a sticker. So I can put her name right here since she's the company that's doing that block party. Alrighty. I actually think that I got everything down I wanted to mark. So I will move all these stickers, put them neatly, because I don't put as many stickers in here because I found I did need more room to write. I did want to use the pink, and I like the washi tape because this is my planner. So there is my spread for the week. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.